Guys, new day, new exercise. So today we will be starting with the calendar and date function. So this is the first exercise where we will be creating various date function to report sightings of the harbor purpose. I don't know what it is. So click here, download the file. I have already downloaded the file. So this is the file, how it looks like. Now let's see. Contain, okay, load the calendar table. So I've already loaded this calendar table. You can load this table. And to make this work, create a relationship between calendar date key and the sighting date column. So we will go in this and we will create this relationship between these. So it's done. Now make the calendar table as date table. Okay, how to make this? Click here, make it as date table. I will turn on this choose column date key, I think. Yep. It's also done. Okay, choose to sort the calendar month by the month number. Calendar month, where it is. Yeah, this one, month. Sort by month number, I think. Yeah, month number. Ascending order. Okay, sorry bro. Looks like getting some cold. So look on the modeling of the Power BI ribbon tab for the last two options. What's it saying? I don't know. And now create a metric summarizing this. Okay, we will put one matrix like this with rows, year number, month name, year number, month, month name, right? I will drag this here and values no. I put no here and I just do this. Okay, 2083 no previous month, December to. Oh, okay. So I think we have 2015's data also, right? Let me check. Yeah, 2015's like the December data is there. So I've taken this. So why it's not there? Why it's not there? You can expand. If I'm not expanding, am I getting the correct values? Right now it's I think I'm doing something wrong. Year number, month name. Okay. Then why I'm not okay, NO instead of NO, let's two values should be there, right? So NO, what it is, sum, or am I taking the count, or what? 2083. After adding NO, previous month, use the previous month function to create a measure called previous month to show sites. Okay, so we need to show the previous month, and I will add one measure here called PREVIOU previous month, and we will show the value of the previous month, right? Previous month, this one. And if I click enter, and if I put this here, now it will not work. Why? Calculate sum of NO, comma, this, enter. Now, why? Okay, so sorry for this. I was taking NO. Not with the NO, but the date, calendar date key, right? So if I click enter, then see here 33346, so it's now giving us the previous year. Now let's see what else we have to do. 2 months ago, cap of 2 months, that's great. So this is, and now the other situation is adding 2 months, like previous 2 months. So if you remember, if you have watched my videos, you must have known that we can use like 2 months. We will be using calculate sum of no, what it is, whale with no, right? And then for this we will be using date add function, where we will be taking date from date key, and then the number of interval should be -2. We are taking previous and then months, and then I guess to enter. If I click enter, and if I put this here, so see, the 2 here is from here, and then 72 is from here, 78 is from here, like 2, and then 74 should be in here. Yep. So this is how you use this kind of like if you have a condition where you have to show 2 months, previous 2 months data, 3 months data, then you can use, let's say, 6 months of data. Like then you can directly see this thing directly went down. So instead of using a quarter or year or something, you can use state add function just to filter this by the months, and you can also filter this by the dates also. For example, here we have chosen the month. You can use day, months, quarter, year, whatever you want. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.